So are you all packed up and ready to go?
No, I just don't know what to take.
Just take everything.
Really?
Yes, I'll even help you carry them myself.
Oh, that's so nice. Can you go get me more bags then, please?
No. This backpack is all you get. Figure it out.
Wait, what? This time we really want it to be more free, have less stuff bothering us all the time. So now on my side I just have this 40-liter Osprey backpack and then this small one for everything that I need to be able to grab really fast. Today is Tuesday and we're leaving on Sunday. My bags are ready. This has never happened to me before and I'm very excited about it. I really wanted to make sure everything would fit. And it does! So let's see what I packed and how I packed it. Let's take a look at what's in the 40-liter backpack. So here's what's in the big backpack. 2 bagging cubes, my laptop, flip-flops, rain jacket, additional backpack, toiletry bag, and random. Now, let me show you what's in bag number 1. In it, we have a dress, 5 shirts, 1 pair of shorts, 1 pair of jeans, a skirt, 2 workout shorts, 2 workout pants, and 3 workout shirts. Oh, and we also have a dirty laundry bag. Bag number 2. In this one we have underwear, period cup, bras, sports bras, swimsuits, socks, and compression socks. Now let's look at what's in the smaller backpack. So in this one we have our documents, a tiny purse, I have a hat, a bottle, and then my work stuff and electronic stuff. Let's see what's in this big bag. And this one is actually just full of smaller bags. So first, my cable bags, chargers bags. Second, GoPro and battery pack. Let's say it, we're a little addicted to our phones, so we really need this when we're on the road. Next is my work things. Everything I need for VIP kit is in there. Then my laptop charger, my headphones for work, and last but not least, my journals. Okay, it's probably not important to most of you, but I love them. All my notebooks, travel journal, everyday journal, and my Romanian notebook. And voila! I'm so excited to be able to travel with less stuff. I actually had to make a packing list and to keep making it smaller and smaller until everything fit. Honestly, I never thought I'd be able to travel this light. But wait a minute, this might be a little too light. I think I'm forgetting something.
What just happened?
Hey!
Hey?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
No. Why would I be ready?
Well, let's go. We're leaving in like 5 days. It's like right now.
It's gonna take me a while. How'd you do yours so fast?
Look.
Whoa.
Hey.
Well, can't beat the convenience. Okay, well, I guess I'm ready to go. We'll see you guys from South America then. Bye.